Priyanka Chopra and Katrina Kaif are suffering from sleepless nights. But because of who and why? Well, ये तो page 3 ही आपको बता सकता है. What's going on in these girls' lives? I'm your host Nandini, and if you have been looking at wax chests on male stars and wondering why they're more obsessed with beauty than women these days, then this episode is just for you. Is Salman Khan to blame for this trend? But let's start the episode with Simi Chandok getting candid and bindas with Veena Malik, Ashmit Patel and Sara Khan. देखिए कैसे अश्मित पटेल ने किया अपने हाउसमेट्स को एक्सपोज.
How bad were the toilet manners?
कुछ लोगों के टॉयलेट मैनर्स काफ़ी गंदे थे. मैं अभी नेशनल टेलीविज़न पे ये चीज़ें नहीं बताना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन कुछ लड़कियाँ खास करके बहुत गंदी थी और कुछ आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग, सारा के अलावा सारी लड़कियाँ बहुत गंदी थी. सारी नहीं, कुछ. और कुछ लड़कियाँ टॉयलेट करने के बाद हाथ धोती भी नहीं थी और सीधे किचन में जाके खाना पकाती थी. जी हाँ. और मैंने एक या दो बारी मैंने पॉइंट आउट भी किया. उन्होंने कहा नहीं, हम लोगों ने हाथ यूज़ नहीं किए. अच्छा, तो मतलब आपने साफ़ भी नहीं किया, हाथ यूज़ नहीं किए. तो सो दैट वाज अ लिटिल. उस दिन मैंने उपवास किया था. मैं फास्ट कर रहा था और इसलिए मेरा वजन इतना घट गया.
आपका टॉयलेट का एक्सपीरियंस कैसे था?
It was okay, but कभी-कभी बहुत गंदा होता था. And
You want to tell me who was the dirtiest? It's okay, अभी शो खत्म हो चुका है. You won't see them again.
but sometimes when Khalid used to move out and it used to smell a lot. So being very
Yes.
honest, yeah. it used to
मैं भी
happen.
वही सोचती थी कि 275 अंडे अंदर जा रहे हैं तो दबांग की तरह मुंह से या कहाँ से बाहर आ रहे हैं.
वैसे भी वो उस हाइट से एम करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. और होता है कभी कभार. वो फायर ब्रिगेड से तो है ही नहीं, तो कभी कभार उनका भी एम थोड़ा चुकता था. और
And sometimes
That's
you used to
all.
forget closing the door also.
कभी कभार वो दरवाज़ा भी खुला करके रख के.
Sarah, what did you see? Okay, we are a family-friendly channel and that's why we have to stop. But I can tell you that this interview has been more entertaining than the reality show. Thank you very much for talking to Zoom.
Oh my God, Simi, that was completely shocking. आपने तो उनको completely expose कर दिया just by opening the toilet door. Tell us more.
नंदिनी, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. उन्होंने खुद एक दूसरे की पैंट्स उतारी. They were taking their pants off. I can't help it. So they were revealing it all and we're just enjoying it all. But you have to see more of this. You really have to watch.
I want to know.
It's like, you should see Ashmit's mom. She's crying. She's so emotional. Ashmit is so emotional. And, the best part, my cook, he had threatened me. If I don't ask this particular question to Ashmit, no food from me. So, watch out. What's the question?
I want to know the answer as well.
You're going to get it now. Ashmit, आपके लिए मेरे पास एक specific question है. मेरे cook हैं रवि बेरा. और जब उनको पता चला कि मैं आपकी पार्टी में आ रही हूँ, he had one specific question for you. He says, उनको कहना मैंने उनको 96 days के लिए support किया. मैं उनको बहुत चाहता हूँ, लेकिन उन्होंने ज़ारा को अपनी बहन बोला और फिर उनके साथ फ्लर्ट किया. एंड मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगा और मैंने फिर भी उनको सपोर्ट किया. पहले मैं आपकी मॉम से ये बात पूछूंगी.
No way. From first day, she said pops to him, and she considers him either the father and the brother. So I
Not
do
father,
not.
elder brother.
Elder brother. Maybe that's the way she put it. Pops.
With Pops,
yeah.
because we had a play
Yeah.
acting to do where she
Yeah.
had to play my daughter and I had to play my father.
For the wedding.
Okay, my cook is not convinced.
Well, he'll have to come home and cook for him then, Simi, and then he'll explain.
क्या
to
कहूँ,
him.
मैं उनको पर्सनली मिला के समझा दूंगा.
आपकी मॉम आपके लिए बहुत रोती थी and she used to really miss you. By the way, I have seen that.
He used to touch my feet every day before I used to see it. And before he used to get up in the morning and he used to touch my feet and then he used to start his day.
You know what she did for you? You probably don't know because you were inside. It was her birthday and she was going to Paris and she made sure that she could get the television network and she could watch you every day.
She told me about that. And,
She met me at a party and she asked me and I said, yes, I'm going to watch him every day, wherever I am.
I knew that, and I made a special T-shirt for her. मैंने एक special
Yeah.
T-shirt, Happy Birthday Mommy, I love you, कह के एक T-shirt बनाया था. At least वो T-shirt देखती और वो पढ़ पाती कि मैंने उनके लिए wishes ढेर सारे दिए.
Okay, so that was Sarah and Ashmit. अब मुझे जानना है वीना मलिक के बारे में. The bomb there.
Oh, she is the bum there. क्यों? मैंने बॉम्ब इंग्लिश में नहीं कहा, हिंदी में कहा.
bomb, okay.
No, वो तो पूरा बम का गोला है.
Pun intended.
She was really looking nice. She's lost a lot of weight. I think, in fact, she has more potential than Shweta Tiwari right now in terms of grabbing opportunities in Bollywood. Probably, agar kahin kisi ka career jayega, to it's Veena Malik, among the girls. And she's very sorted. She'd already watched all my shows. She was aware of what happened and everything. And I told her, I said, हमने Tantalize पे ये predict किया था after the cricket controversy कि you're going to be the hottest item number in Bollywood. And she was so quick. And she's like, अगर मुझे ये पता होता तो मैं ये show को कभी हाँ ना कहती. Check it out. She's really said that.
मुझे आपसे एक ही क्वेश्चन पूछना है. जब आपकी क्रिकेट कंट्रोवर्सी लंदन में ब्रेक हुई थी तो हमने अपने शो टेंटलाइज पे ये प्रिडिक्ट किया था दैट यू विल बी द बिगेस्ट एंड द हॉटेस्ट आइटम गर्ल इन बॉलीवुड और आपने रियलिटी शो को हाँ कह दिया. व्हाट डू यू थिंक नाउ?
Oh my God, till then I didn't know that. And I would have definitely said no to that reality show and would have definitely said yes to that item numbers because item numbers is what India ke item numbers sexy and beautiful. So, but yeah, I guess it's never too late.
अगर आपको एक हीरो बॉलीवुड से पिक करना पड़ा जिसकी आप आइटम गर्ल बनना चाहेंगी,
I guess Salman for sure.
Did you have a crush on him when you saw him the first time?
Through that reality show, we came to know each other, and every Friday we used to talk to each other. And I found him such a wonderful person. He's such a good person.
So that was all the action from Ashmit and his gang. But what about the others at the party?
Oh, it was really nice. In fact, Asha, Ashmit's mom, had planned this party way in advance.
Okay.
And it was like, irrespective of whether he comes as a winner or not, she's still going to host the birthday party for him. And she did that along with Alok Agarwal, who co-hosted this party. It's beautiful. Rohit Bal's lounge.
Yeah, it looks
I mean,
great.
look at it. It's really nice. And everybody seemed to be having a good time. Smita Jaikar, you can see her. She's let her hair down. That's her husband there, the legal Mohan Jaikar. Asha Patel was having a great time. She was partying, she was dancing.
What about the sister, dear? How is Amisha looking?
Amisha's looking great as usual, but I always, I tell her mom, that Ashmit and Amisha put together, they can match up her looks. She's way too good looking for her age and everything, It's like if you see her dancing, sometimes, we've caught her on camera wearing the shortest skirts and everything. It's like really cool, really super cool party. And guess who was having the best time there? We caught Amisha's dad, Ashmit's dad, and look what he has on his cheek.
Oh my God. Is that a kiss?
Yes, I think some lady left a mark.
Woohoo! Good luck to him now. Before his wife sees it, he better get that off.
No, I don't think he's worried because he asked me to kiss him on the other cheek.
Oh, wow, now that's a brave guy. Okay, that's been an eventful week, huh, Simi? What about the next party that you'd gone for?
You know what? I'm going to talk about Farah Khan's lingerie show. It was kind of nice and... I mean, we're all used to those Gora models going nanga panga on the ramp and everything. There's nothing new about that. Probably people have seen it. But this is the most interesting part. It's like वो अपनी heroines को इतना खूबसूरत दिखाती हैं. And then why does she do these lingerie shows, once a year? And she's been doing it for a few years. And now that she has 3 kids, what is her view on lingerie?
लॉन्जरी के बहुत सारे मायने होते हैं स्पेशली हमारे कल्चर में और आई वांटेड टू ब्रेक द मिथ दैट लॉन्जरी शोज आर चीप और टैकी और embarrassing.
Does Farah Khan herself wear lingerie after 3 kids? So, you have to hear what she says.
I want to know. I'm really curious.
मेरा वो सेक्सी बनने के दिन अब चले गए हैं. अब मैं 3 बच्चों की माँ हूँ. I have to be comfortable and be ready to run anywhere and everywhere and live 2 children at the same time. So it's more about being comfort. आज तो मैं थोड़ा decked up हूँ, but basically I even hate putting makeup on.
And Farah's actually given tips to our viewers कि if you're wearing lingerie, how to, kind of get the Sheila ki Jawani look. So she's given us tips. Check her out.
I think it depends on where you are. अगर आप interview के लिए जा रहे हो, आपकी lingerie दिख रही है, so I think that's not happening. There's a protocol of where you are and how you should dress up for that occasion.
Simi, I see a lot of guys there. They must have been really having a good time checking out the models.
Yes. And Farah Khan kind of explains that, like why there are more guys than girls at the lingerie show. And I think we kind of know that. And check Chunky Pandey out. He's explaining it all.
I want to hear that.
जब हमने पहले साल शो किया था, तब हमारे जो मेल हमने इनवाइट किए थे, lot of them didn't come because they were very embarrassed. And they said, oh God, how will we see? So I think they all enjoy watching it, but not in public. Today we had a bigger male crowd. There was Akshay, there was my brother Sajid, there was Ritesh Deshmukh, there was Arjun Rampal, there was Tushar Kapoor, there was Chunky. Yes,
Hi, this is Chunky Pandey and Farah said the best show on air.
And Chunky loves the show and he's not embarrassed to watch it with his wife.
And my eyes are still working so hard.
Not bad, Simi. It seems like a really nice evening.
You know, when Bhavna Pandey is putting together events and she gets the best brands and the best events together, I'm telling you, she's the queen of glam events right now. And this was her event and she did a wonderful job again.
Kudos to her.